The word war between Senator Ping Lacson and Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano continues as Lacson raises questions over alleged ghost flood control projects in Taguig City and the 2019 SEA Games issues. Lacson said the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee may forward its findings on the alleged Taguig ghost infrastructure projects directly to the Office of the Ombudsman to speed up any preliminary investigation. The senator further alleged that their investigation has identified more individuals who may have acted as alleged bagmen, while stressing that the issue is about accountability and not a personal feud.
Kung series of acts, tapos at least 50 million, wala nang pupuntahan yun, kundi plunder. Na-prioritize lang, dahil ang ingay-ingay niya.
Okay.
Pag nag-iingay ka, mapapansin ka Pag nambato ka, kailangan malinis ka.
Ayun.
Kasi kung meron kang dumi, huwag kang mambabato ng putik kasi babalik sa'yo yun
Meanwhile, Philippine Southeast Asian Games Organizing Committee or PHISGOC maintained that the 2.8 billion pesos released for the 2019 Southeast Asian Games has been fully liquidated. PHISGOC said the documents were completed, submitted, and reviewed years ago, while the Philippine Sports Commission said the liquidation was finished as early as March 2022 despite pandemic-related delays. Following the recent development, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano responded to the allegations in a Facebook Live, saying he is ready to answer any specific accusations while calling for a thorough investigation.
Tapos yung SEA Games daw, iniimbestigahan nila. Tapos ang Taguig daw, iimbestigahan. So, I continue to wait kung ano yung specific allegation and haharapin ko yan. But of course, yun nga, ang pakiusap ko, hindi tama na mag-single out at mas mabuti lahat ito.